you there? You're gone, Derek. What happened? Loy ka daghan. But you so low, I can hear you. Yes, I'm here. There's no one up there in my life, in my cam. No one. Zero. Zero people. Ilalang daw yung aking aso. Ang dami ng ugat. Paisitin talaga. Wow, sarap ito. Feel it here. We need to exchange information or I can buy you a mic. I told you, I told you, I told you, get some, download what is this? WhatsApp. So we can talk on WhatsApp. Because you don't have, if we have messenger, so where we gonna talk? Only here at my live? I'm not often doing live personal, actual live. I always do live SC only, SC, screen record. So that we can talk. We cannot talk.
Hello mga kaidol, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan diha mga kaidol. Kumusta naman ang akong mga kaidol nga gwapo
Bot sa imo. Gwapo panitan. So I have to get WhatsApp. I don't know to you. I told you a long time ago to get WhatsApp. Ano ba yung
Magbalikan ka mo muna tayo.
Magmaligaya. I just got a space in the phone. I'm going to download it so we can talk. Is your phone is also full storage like mine? Buy some another phone.
Balikan ka po.
Buy new one. I'm gonna live